Today I'm going to show you how to unlink or how to find link device and how do you unlink unlink devices from your WhatsApp. So let's get started. Open your WhatsApp. Now how do you find link device that have been linked to your WhatsApp? How do you find it and how do you unlink them? So once you open your WhatsApp, click on these three dots. You're going to see link devices, click on it, and this is where all the devices that has been linked to your WhatsApp is going to pop here. You can see it's only window that is being linked with my WhatsApp. So if I want to unlink them, I'll just click on it. Once you click on it, just click on logout. Once you click on logout, it's going to log. You can see it's going to automatically log that window for my WhatsApp, except I log it back there. So it's going to unlink everything once you open this, and you can also find the last activities on your WhatsApp from this. You can see this is very easy. So if you want to unlink it, just click on it, click on logout or click on unlink. Automatically you have unlinked your WhatsApp from the file that is being logged in. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment or subscribe.